In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank dashboard to a polished email ready to send to your audience. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head straight to the campaign section in your main dashboard. This is where all of your newsletters and email blasts live. Look for the button that says Create Campaign, or it might say Create New Campaign depending on your version. Click that to start setting up a brand new newsletter. Next, Mailerlite will ask you what type of campaign you want to create. For most newsletters, you'll choose Regular Campaign, which is just a standard one-time email. You'll also see options like RSS Campaign, which is useful if you want emails to go out automatically when you publish new blog posts, and A/B Split Test, which lets you test two versions of your email to see which performs better. For now, stick with Regular Campaign unless you have a specific reason to use the others. Now it's time to design your email content. Mailerlite gives you a few different editors. The drag-and-drop editor is usually the easiest because you can visually build your newsletter by moving blocks around. If you prefer a simple, text-focused email, you can pick the rich text editor. And if you or your team work with code, you can use custom HTML for total control over the layout. After choosing your editor, you'll be prompted to select a template. You can browse the template gallery for a ready-made layout, use a template you've saved before, or start from scratch if you want full creative freedom. Once the editor opens, begin adding content by dragging blocks like headlines, images, text areas, and buttons onto the canvas. Adjust each block's text, colors, and alignment so it matches your brand. To make your newsletter feel more personal, insert contact fields like a first-name merge tag so that each subscriber sees their own name in the greeting. This small touch can improve engagement. When you're happy with the design and content, click Done Editing to move on. Next, set up the campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later inside your account. Subscribers won't see this. Then write the subject line, which is what people will see in their inbox. Make it clear and compelling so they want to open your email. Choose the sender name and email address you want your subscribers to see. Ideally, a professional address that matches your domain. Add a pre-header, which is the short preview text that appears next to or under the subject line in most inboxes. It should support or expand on the subject. Then click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments of contacts who should receive this newsletter. Finally, in the tracking section, make sure that Tracking Opens is enabled so you can later analyze how your newsletter performed. Before you send anything, take a moment to review. Use the preview option to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself or a teammate to double-check links, images, and formatting. When everything looks good, go to the Review and Confirm page to verify your subject line, sender, recipients, and settings one last time. If you're completely ready, click Send to dispatch your newsletter immediately, or choose Schedule to send it at a future date and time that works best for your audience. And that's the full process of creating a newsletter in Mailerlite. From a blank campaign to a finished email ready to land in your subscribers' inboxes.